2 days ago, I showed us a particular platform which you can accumulate some earnings for yourself. So right now you can see I just made this on my own account. That is over 16,000 naira without any single investment. Now in this video, I'm going to be placing a live withdrawal and I'm going to be showing you what you can also do to accumulate such earnings on your account. Now all I just want you to do is to stick to the very end of this video, because I'm going to elaborate more on how you can use this particular platform and earn every single day. Now in exchange of what you'll be getting in this video, all I ask right now is to please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch right now. Now when you look at my account right here, you can actually see I have over 16,000 naira on my account. To place a withdrawal on my account, you can actually see where it shows cash out. So I'm just going ahead to click on cash out, and it's going to direct me over to an interface where I can actually place withdrawal. Now you can actually see that I have a total balance of 16,412 naira. Now all I just need to do right now before going ahead to place withdrawal is to come down where it says bank card information. Now I'm going to click on add bank information. So right now you can actually see the said bank card type. I'm going to select OPay. For you can actually select your bank right here. You can actually see Access and other banks right here. So I'm going to select OPay and I'm going to click on confirm. Now the bank card number is actually the account number, so I'm going to paste my account number right here. Now the payee name is actually your name on your bank account, so I'm going ahead to put in my bank name right here so I can go ahead to place a withdrawal on my account. So right now they said please ensure information is accurate. Now make sure your information right here is actually accurate. Then come down right here and click on confirm. Now you have actually binded your account details right on this platform. The next thing you want to do right now is to go ahead to place a withdrawal. So I'm going ahead to click on withdraw. Now they said confirm withdrawal. Are you sure you want to withdraw a total of 16,412 naira? So I'm going to click on confirm. So right now you can actually see that withdrawal request has been submitted. Okay, so by the end of this video I'm going to show you the withdrawal proof from this platform. So you can actually see that this withdrawal is on pending review. So once they approve this, I'm going to be seeing success and I'm going to be credited right into my bank account. Now this is how this platform works. When you come to your accounts, you can actually see we have the leaderboard, system notification, account list, and revenue. Now all you have to do right now is to come over to the home. Now when you come over to the home, you are going to be seeing the tasks you need to do on your account. Now you can actually see where it says WhatsApp. Now click on start. When you click on start, you can actually start. You can go ahead to link your mobile number to this platform, that is your particular WhatsApp number. You are linking your WhatsApp number to this platform. Once you go ahead linking your WhatsApp number to this platform, you are going to be getting 200 naira every 24 hours. Now it is not compulsory you go ahead linking your WhatsApp number, but if you actually want to go ahead linking your WhatsApp number, I created a video which I'll be pinning down on this particular video. Now go ahead, put in your WhatsApp number right here and click on get key. Now a code will be generated for you right here. Copy that code and link your WhatsApp to this platform. That was explained in our previous video, which I'll be linking below this particular one. Then come right here and your WhatsApp will be linked to this platform. You can go through this, log into WhatsApp, follow this process, and your WhatsApp will be connected to this platform. Now the actual means that can give you income on your account right here is when you come over to invite friends. Now when you invite individuals to this platform, a single individual is going to give you 1,500 naira earlier. Now it is actually 1,000 naira. Now for any individual you invite into this platform, you are going to be making 1,000 naira for yourself. Now imagine you invite 20 persons to this platform, you are going to be making 20,000 naira on your account. So that is actually how this platform works. Use your invitation link and invite individuals to this platform, and also connect your WhatsApp to this platform to earn 200 naira every 24 hours. Now that is only what you need to do on this platform and accumulate your earnings. Right here you can actually see 1,500 naira each invitation. Now you can actually see they said complete the task, get 3,000 naira. So once you go ahead inviting individuals to this platform, you are accumulating earnings on your account. So that is all you need to know about this particular update. Use the link on the pinned comment section, set up an account for yourself and start leveraging this particular platform to earn every single day. And so thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got value from it, and if you did, please do well to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever a review or an update is being posted right on this channel. See you on my next video and keep winning. And do not forget to join our WhatsApp and Telegram channel. You can find these links down there in the video description or the pinned comment section.